Elizabeth's display allows you to customize the use of the machine, from the temperature measurement scale, the temperature control of coffee and steam, to the duration of extraction and pre-infusion. The automatic purge allows you to deliver a small amount of water before the extraction and thus reach the correct temperature for optimal coffee preparation. Once the machine is ready, all you have to do is wait for the coffee to come down. And don't worry if the brew isn't immediate. The pre-infusion is in action. As you can hear, the silent pump won't disturb anyone. During this phase, the LCC will show an increasing count to indicate how long the brewing has been going on, and the manometer hand will move to a value within the green area. The brewing then stops automatically. If you run out of water in the tank during brewing, the reserve mode will automatically activate to allow you to complete your coffee. The display indicates it with the symbol of a tap, and at the end of brewing, with the symbol of lack of water. Thanks to Elizabeth's dual boiler system, you can froth milk for your cappuccino also while coffee extraction is in progress. And if you need hot water to prepare tea, infusions, or American coffee, simply press the button with the drop symbol and Elizabeth will dispense hot water from the dedicated fixed wand. Elizabeth can be used in economy mode. Thanks to this function, you can decide, via the display, to disable the steam boiler and use only the coffee boiler for extraction. After 30 minutes of inactivity, Elizabeth goes into standby. To restart the machine, simply press the flashing button and wait for OK to appear. And enjoy your coffee!